Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today is kind of an update day, and tomorrow we start canning and our beginning canner series. So I wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys what I have. In the way of canning tomorrow, we are going to be canning pork and chicken separate jars but together. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We are also going to be starting our new canning series, and we're going to go by the Ball Book of Preserving, and I'm just going to go through the basics, and there's going to be just a little bit every single day. And then if you have any questions, you can post them in the comment section. Okay, so first off, what we are canning. So tonight I'm going to start a pot of chicken. I'm going to cook chicken and make chicken stock. So I got a really good deal on chicken leg quarters at one of my local stores, 99 cents a pound. Tomorrow I'm going out to get chicken breast, and I'm going to can that when I can the pork. And we are going to we're going to make chicken stock out of this. I got 2 packages. This one was only $3.25 and this one was $4.42. So these are going to go in the same stock pot. I'm going to be using an 18-quart stock pot. I will show you a video of how I do that along the way. I also got this packet of pork sirloin chops. I did really well on meat today, you guys. First time I have found meat this cheap, so I just went kind of crazy on meat, and we're going to can it. So this meat right here is going to be going for pork pasoli, pasole, whatever, however you say it. I have made this before, and I can it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Super, super easy recipe, kind of a Mexican comfort food meal, and it's really, really good. It is one of my favorite meals. Beef sirloin tip steak. This is very, very thin. Where I live, there's a lot of Spanish families, and they we have a lot of thin cut meat. So I am going to be cutting this and putting it in a food saver bag to make tacos for later on. That's all I'm going to do with this. This right here is going to be going for carnitas. I'm going to be making some carnitas with this. This is a fresh pork leg. Again, another Spanish meal, really, really good, really comfort food. You can make burritos or tacos with this, really, really good. So this is the pork, oops, right here, if I can move it, that we're going to be canning tomorrow. And this is pork loin, sirloin, and roast, and there's 3 of them in here. This was only $1.17 a pound. So I may actually go back for more tomorrow. They only had this one, and they were supposed to bring out some more, but I didn't stay. It was one of my mystery shops, and I had to get it done. So I quick grabbed this. I might go out in the morning and get some more. I don't have a lot of canned pork. I've only got maybe 5 or 6 jars. So I figured that I would show you guys how to do this. It's the same as ugly chicken. It's just a raw pack method, but I will take you guys along on every step of the way. So just want to show you guys this that we have here. I've never bought this before, and it was on clearance. The date is tomorrow, so I'm probably going to be making this tomorrow. It's a Fiesta Taco Kit, and it has carne asada, pollo asado, and pork al pastor on there, and I'm going to be dividing this and probably get 3 meals out of this since it's only the 2 of us. It says up to 16 tacos. We'll see if I divide it in half or in thirds. I have to see when I take it out of the package exactly how much is there. I will probably half it, to be fair. And then these, they were marking this down as I was there. Bratwurst, and this is just regular bratwurst. It was only $1.99, down from $3.99. As I said, I really, really lucked out on this meat today. So we are going to have that, probably with some red cabbage. I've got some red cabbage mixed with apple. That is so, so good. So that will be a meal. Let's see, tomorrow is Thursday, probably for Friday. And we will have our chicken stock, and I will show you guys how to do that. I am going to add mirepoix to it, so I've got celery, onions, and carrots that I'm going to add to this and put it in the pot, and I will show you in another video how I do this. So there you go. I have spent a little bit over $30 for all of this, and this is going to be, oh my gosh, so many meals, you guys, for us. So many different meals, especially with this stock. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, grab the sales when you can. Stock up as you can. Oh, another thing I got, I hope you guys can see this. I had so many emails on how to cook an artichoke. So guess what, guys? So they went back on sale. They are $2 a piece, which is an amazing price for here. They're huge, and I am going to be showing you guys how to cook an artichoke the way I do, and just dip it in butter. You can always do it so many different ways, but this is the basic method, and no matter how you cook it, this is how you start it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that because I promised I would the next time I found them. And also, I want to tell you guys how to enter my giveaways. So I've got so many new subscribers to our channel, and I want to tell you that you need to listen to a word of the day. You're going to see a hashtag WOTD in each of my videos that has a word of the day. And in order to be entered in my subscriber appreciation giveaways every month, the next one is going to be probably the 8,000 subscriber giveaway, since we're already past 7,700, you guys. I can't even believe it. We just celebrated our 7,000 subscriber giveaway on Friday, and we're at 7,700 plus subscribers. You guys are just blowing me away, and I am humbled by this. I really am. So I'm probably just going to skip the 7,500 giveaway and go right to 8,000, because I have a feeling by mid-November, by the time we do this giveaway, we're going to be at 8,000, which means better gifts for you guys, including a dehydrator, like I promised, and probably an electric kettle. I am really, really hoping I can get one. I could not get one to mail to you guys by last Friday. They just didn't have them. And I don't want to promise something that I can't get. So there'll be lots of good prizes, but the way you enter, look for the videos that have hashtag WOTD, which this one will have, and I'll be announcing the word of the day in just a few minutes. So you need to be subscribed. Number one, you need to be subscribed. You need to be one of my subscribers to win my subscriber appreciation giveaway, right? Just makes sense. You need to like the video. You need to comment on the video in the comment section, the word of the day at least, if not more. I know a lot of my subscribers are really, they have a lot of fun with it, and they incorporate the word of the day into really fun messages and questions and stuff like that. So that's always fun. And then share my video. Please share my video. That's how we get the word out there. The YouTube algorithm pushes our videos out there to more and more people. That's how we're growing so quickly, and I would really appreciate if you guys would share the videos. That really, really helps support my channel. Another way is just by liking and commenting. That also gets the YouTube algorithm going, and it shares my channel, which in turn helps support us. So all of this is brought to you by YouTube funds. YouTube pays me to do this with the ads, and the more you look at the ads or you click on the ads, that helps our revenue as well. And it allows me to do all of this for you guys. It allows me to bring you more content. The more funds I get from YouTube, the more content I can bring you, the more jars I can buy. And that's another thing I wanted to announce. I do have lids. For anyone that is still searching for lids, I have Kerr regular mouth with lids and rings boxes, and I have Golden Harvest regular mouth, just the lids. I have a few Kerr wide mouth available. I have not had any luck the past 2 weeks securing any Kerr wide mouth, any wide mouth at all. I have not seen them. I am going to make a video because I ordered off of Walmart. Well, let me just say really quick, if you guys need lids, you can either email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, or you could just go to my Etsy store and purchase them right there. It's Jack and Diane Designs. It's the name Jack, and then the letter N, and then Diane, and then Designs, all one word. And you could find me that way. Or I think you could search the Canning Nana as well and find me. I have some debubblers available, and then a bunch of lids, and then some Disney stuff. And I am not price gouging on the lids, you guys. I am just charging for my cost on the lids. Shipping is included on some of them. Some of them it isn't. And then packaging, which is like 50 cents I've added on. So really, it's only at my cost. It's not my gas or anything like that, or searching for lids. I'm just trying to do this to help you guys because I know that there are so many people that can't find lids right now. So get the word out there. I'm going to keep doing this as I can. I did just secure Golden Harvest lids and rings boxes the same as the Kerr. They're regular mouth. They're both the same price. I paid the same price for them, so they're both the same price. Or the Kerr is a little bit more. I think they're 2 boxes of Golden Harvest for $10 plus shipping is what I have them on Etsy. And I think the Kerr are $12 because I think I paid $5.50 for those, and I added a little bit for packaging, and that's it. So yeah, so if you guys need lids, go to my Etsy store. That's where they are. And I hope that everybody gets the lids that they need. I'm going to put a video out tomorrow because I ordered some jars off of Walmart, and I have a warning for you guys. Oh boy, did I have an experience. So I got my jars just fine. Jars are no problem, but wait until tomorrow's video, you guys. Yeah, not fun, and it's a warning to everybody. So so stay tuned. There will be a video out on how to put the chicken stock together and how I do that in probably just a few hours after we eat dinner. And then the beginning canner series is going to start tomorrow. I have another announcement to make about a membership page, membership for my channel that I'm so excited about. And then the warning about Walmart.com and to be really careful. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know. You can leave it in the comment section, and I will do a Q&A chat on questions about canning, or anything you guys ask. I will answer questions. And then I hope to do a live, hopefully on Friday, for any questions that you guys have. So just know to all the winners that we had on Friday, all of your stuff either has gone out or is going out little by little all this week. And let's see. Oh, we also have blueberry jam coming. We're going to do blueberry jam, you guys, because blueberries are on sale here. They are $2.99 for an 18-ounce pack, and I got 2 packs. I'm making dessert with one of them, or half of one tonight. Gonna go back tomorrow and get some more, so I have enough for blueberry jam. I make blueberry jam for Christmas gifts, for holiday gifts, just for gift giving all around, and I don't have enough, so I'm gonna make a bunch. And look in your grocery stores because chicken is on sale everywhere right now, at least here. It's one of the things that you can find, and it's very cheap, very easy to can. So we're going to be going through all of that and our basic canning series, and I hope you guys all stay tuned for that because we have so many new canners, and I want to make sure that you all know how to do it correctly as per Ball and the USDA extension sites, and I will help you every step of the way. If I don't know an answer to something, I will definitely look it up. I'm not just going to give you a willy-nilly answer. because I want you to can safely. Food safety is absolutely first in my book, especially when canning. So stay tuned. I hope you guys have a good evening, and we are going to be having a really fun next few days of canning. So thank you guys for watching. Again, please comment. The word of the day is going to be bratwurst. Bratwurst is the word of the day. So comment that in the comment section below, and you will be entered to win. And the way you'll know that you're entered is I will give you a key in the comment section in the reply. So that way you know that I saw your comment and you will be entered. And then we go through each video when we do the giveaway, and we do a random comment selector looking for the word that you commented. So we're looking for the word of the day. That's how I weed out the comments. So you have to comment that word of the day, and once you do, make sure that you get a key at the end, and that way you know that you're entered for the giveaway, which is going to be mid-November. This appreciation giveaway is going to be from October 13th videos all the way up until November 13th videos. So you guys have plenty of time. If you didn't already watch those videos from October 13th to all the way up to November 13th, you guys have plenty of time to catch up, and plenty of opportunities to enter. Just make sure that you comment the word of the day. Okay, you guys, I will see you later, probably tomorrow. Have a great evening, and see you soon.